everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is a keto canned chicken crust for a pizza. That's right, a pizza with a canned chicken crust. If it sounds interesting, that's because it is. We're going to put a link to the original recipe in the description box below. Of course, my mom updated it with her allergies. And you can put any kind of toppings or sauce you want on it, so you have some variability here. But we did a barbecue chicken pizza on top of the chicken crust. So lots of chicken, lots of protein in this one. It'd be great for, watching March Madness or, basketball or whatever. So hopefully you guys give it a try. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog, out.
Hi, everybody. As Yoda said, we're making a carnivore pizza crust and pizza for, the Monday meal. But this is the crust all spread out. I've got a piece of parchment paper on a pizza pan, and I sprayed it with olive oil. And then I put the mixture down that I mixed together. So this is 2 cans of chicken breast drained. And then you've got 1 egg. So for this just egg, which I'm allergic to eggs, so 3 tablespoons of this equals 1 egg. And then it asks for a dash of garlic powder and then 2 dashes of salt and pepper. So guess what I used? The blend. I did like 3 or 4 dashes of the blend because, I like the flavor. So you're going to put it in a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for 30 minutes. That's the first step. So we're going to do that now, and then I'll show you the next step. So it baked for 30 minutes, and then now we're supposed to spread it. See, it's starting to get brown on the edges. We're supposed to spread it with our favorite pizza sauce. So we're making a barbecue chicken pizza. So we're using G-Hue sugar-free barbecue sauce, the original flavor. So I spread that out, and we're gonna put it back in the oven for 5 to 8 minutes to let that sauce set up. Okay, I forgot to tell you that there is a half a cup of Parmesan cheese in this crust as well too. But anyway, so we took it out of the oven after 5 to 8 minutes. We did the 7 minutes with our barbecue sauce or whatever pizza sauce you're using. And so now we added a layer of cheese, which we're using Violife mozzarella, vegan, because it's dairy-free for me. So layer of cheese, and then your toppings, which we're using chopped up chicken and onions. So we put that on there, and then another light layer of cheese, and then it's going to go back in the oven for 15 minutes. Then you have to let it cool 10 minutes before cutting. All right, it has been 15 minutes and the cheese is melted. So basically it just says 15 minutes or until the cheese has melted, which, mine is vegan cheese, so it's not normal, but it does melt, so it's good to go. And then we're gonna let it cool for 10 minutes before we cut it. All right, I've cut it up, put it on plates. It's delicious. Give it a try. Happy Monday.